Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Let's go ahead and take a look as things wrap up this week. What's going on out there? Well, we've had a stretch of beautiful weather here in Flagler County. And look, we got high pressure all over the place in the east, and that's been keeping things fine and settled in Flagler County. But things are going to be changing as we go into the weekend. This high pressure system and all these high pressure areas move off to the east, and as they do, it's going to allow a disturbance to try to come up from the south, from the tropics, bringing some tropical moisture up over the region as we go into early next week. You see this whole area is outlined showers and thunderstorms in this region here. We're going to see those rain chances steadily increase as we go through the weekend. Looks like most of Mother's Day is going to be okay, but then when we get past that, we're going to see things start to turn very unsettled. And looking at the Weather Prediction Center's precipitation forecast, it kind of tells a story. We can see there's definitely something going on here in the southeast. These are rainfall amounts averaging up to 3 to 4 inches over the next 7 days, and Flagler County is within that. These are just average expected rainfalls. The actual localized rain that you see may vary from this, so you might see more or less than what's being shown here. But again, this is our 7-day precipitation forecast, and it's telling us that yes, things are going to start turning quite unsettled in the southeast, and especially over Flagler County as we get into early part of next week. But most of the weekend's going to be fine. So let's take a look at some details here. Settled for the rest of the week, but rain chances will be steadily increasing through the weekend, turning unsettled early next week, and some heavy rainfall will be possible, more specifically Sunday night through Wednesday. We could see some torrential downpours associated with some of these showers, periods of rain, and some thunderstorms. But again, just like every other weather system we get, there will be some dry intervals thrown in. Now, for the rest of this week, looking actually pretty nice still, even for the rest of Friday. You're going to see some thickening clouds, some high thin cloud from time to time. It'll fade the sun just a bit, but overall, largely sunny both days. Cloud thickening up perhaps a little bit more on Saturday, but the rest of today is going to be rather warm. Temperatures approaching that 90-degree mark under largely sunny skies. Again, there could be some patchy cloud from time to time, and again, there'll be a sea breeze in the afternoon and some late night fog as possible. Low temperatures in the mid-60s, and of course, you're going to see readings a little bit different at the beaches. It'll be cooler at the beach during the daytime and warmer at the beaches at night. Now, as we go into Saturday, now patchy cloud once again. You might see cloud thicken up a little bit more towards the end of the day. Some fog possible during those overnight hours. Highs in the mid-80s or so, lows generally in the mid-60s. Now, as we get towards Sunday, Monday, and through Wednesday, things start to become unsettled around here with thickening cloud, outbreaks of rain, maybe some thundery downpours. Some of those could produce some torrential downpours locally. And of course, there'll still be some sunshine from time to time as well. So again, not 100% washout, but that's definitely turning unsettled as we go into the first part of next week. So thickening cloud through today on Sunday, outbreaks of rain, showers, and storms likely in the afternoon or evening. High temperatures in the lower 80s with more cloud cover. Low temperatures in the upper 60s at night. And then Monday looks to be a very unsettled and potentially a very wet day. Again, there will be some dry intervals thrown in, but expect a lot of rainfall, so be ready for that. High temperatures in lower 80s, low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Once again, heavy rainfall will be possible. And then as we go through the rest of next week, remaining unsettled is the way things look right now. Again, that's the signals we're seeing at this point in time, at least through Wednesday, maybe into Thursday, with a good chance of showers, rain, and thunderstorms each day. It does not mean it's going to continually rain for 7 days straight, but there's going to be a lot of rainfall, and we saw that with that earlier forecast. So at the beaches now, if you're going to get to the beaches, next couple days look to be the best days. Watch out for the man-o'-wars out there, the Portuguese man-o'-wars. We've been getting reports of those. Surf 2 to 4 feet, surf temperature warm, 78 degrees, and also watch out for the rips, moderate rip current risk out there, and make sure you got your sunblock going on. Very high UV index at there, especially when the sun is out. So stay informed. Remember, weather is always changing. Go to flaglercounty.org. You hover your mouse right over the webcams of weather, and you will get the latest weather forecast from the National Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you're at it. Also, remember that you can get your weather radio and turn that on. You'll get the latest weather information. It's also a great source for warnings. Now, you can find us on Spectrum. Go to channel 492 and YouTube. Just type in Flagler County and you'll find our YouTube channel. That's going to wrap it up for the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely weekend.